Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8n to Google Calendar. This integration allows you to automate your calendar workflows, making it easier to manage events, send notifications, and sync data across your tools. Let's dive in and get this set up. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're on the page, type in your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin building your integration. After clicking Create Workflow, you'll be taken to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. The first is the manual approach, which is the Add First Step option, and the second is the Build with AI feature. Both are useful depending on your preference, but for our purposes today, we'll be using the manual method to have full control over the connection process. To connect Google Calendar to your N8n workflow, click on the Add First Step button. Once you do this, a right side panel will appear on your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Calendar into this search bar. After a moment, you'll see a list of available triggers related to Google Calendar. Browse through the options and select the trigger that best fits your needs. This could be something like a new event trigger or an updated event trigger, depending on what you're trying to automate. Once you've selected your trigger, direct your attention to the field labeled Credentials to connect with. Click on this field and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, click on plus Create New Credential. This is where you'll establish the connection between N8n and your Google Calendar account. Under the Connection section, you'll see another drop-down menu. Click on it and select All from the available options. This ensures that N8n has the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar data. Now comes the final step. All you have to do is click on the Sign In with Google button. This will open a new window prompting you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Follow the authentication process, and once you've granted the necessary permissions, your Google Calendar will be successfully connected to N8n. You can now start automating your calendar workflows and integrating them with other apps and services. And that's it. You've successfully connected N8n to Google Calendar, and you're ready to start building powerful automations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.